Hey guys, today I'll be making chicken chop suey. Ingredients for today: vermicelli, garlic, onion, soy sauce.
Say that again.
Clean as you go.
Alright. What else are you gonna put in there?
Some ginger, onions, vermicelli, as you can see, noodles, soaked in the water. Soy sauce. Go to.
That's it.
Garlic. Oh, hey, calm down. Hey. Wow. See our chicken's boiling. Oh.
The chicken's not done yet.
Sorry guys.
The chicken's still alive.
It's still alive. Okay, let's get back. Lovely mess.
Oh.
Shit. Oh, you gotta bag these bad boys up. Bag island style.
Oh, bro. Otherwise, we could have used that one, hey.
Which one?
The one on that side, the big
Oh, yeah.
stone one. But who cares? That's Samoan style.
Samoan style, man.
A few moments later.
I think that's smashed enough.
Smells expensive. Right now we're just chopping up our vermicelli. Cut it into edible size pieces. Am I making English? Or am I English? Don't worry about it. Don't worry guys.
Your English is not English.
Now we're gonna fry the onions. Let's go, baby. extra virgin olive oil. Yeah, about that much. Got some onions. Oh. Wait for it to boil. Wait for it to heat up first, then you add your onions in. Sorry. Sorry guys. It's my first time in the kitchen, eh? Oh. You like the sizzle, guys?
That will be a retake. Bro, show me some Aboriginal accents in here in Doomadgee.
Aboriginal accents.
Yeah, bro.
Now I'm making here is chopped soy there.
Yeah.
Chopped soy, onions, oh, it's heated up now. I'll tell you, deadly. This is deadly meat, mate. Oh. Tell you that much. I just want
Finally, sizzling, eh?
sizzling. I want to brown the onion. Add this. Next step, add your garlic. Then what's that? What's that, mister? Mister, you got some more? You got some more, mister?
There you go.
Never had candy like this before. Alright, next step, I'm going to put our chicken in.
Yep.
Now I'm using the spoon because I don't want the... We're going to use the water later, but... Put our chicken in like that. Take it off the heat for a minute. Now guys, I don't have the proper equipment or proper gear, there's not enough bowls or, you know, but we make do. Now time for this bad boy. You want to put enough because you're going to add the vermicelli and it's all going to darken and marinate in this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, about that much. Maybe too much, but hey, I'm cooking, you're not.
pasta they made. Because they chop the water when they wash the
Yeah.
noodles.
They chop it. But hey, it's our secret.
That's our secret recipe.
That's it. Let's let it sit for a little bit. Stir it again in a couple minutes. And it should be 30. Oh, 30. Number one rule. Six must be. And that's all she wrote.
It's all good.
Yeah. Should be alright. Take those.
Can't fit it in my mouth, right? Oh, that's so good.
Beauty.